Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be setting up 5G internet settings, APN settings for Airtel Tanzania. So we're going to set up our internet settings for Airtel Tanzania 5G. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, rush to the comment section. Me and my team are going to be replying to each and every form of question. So let us head over to our settings, the phone settings, and then after we're going to open the dual SIM and mobile network. Then after look for your Airtel SIM card, which is my SIM 1. But this tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only. Users must first agree to the terms and conditions of the internet service providers before continuing to this tutorial. So let us continue where we have the access point name and then go where we have a plus button. Dear subscribers and viewers, let us go where we have a plus button right here down on some mobile devices, but on my Android device the plus button is right here, but on some Android device the plus button may be appearing right here. So based on Android device, I request to viewers and my dear subscribers to press that plus button. So, let me press the plus button. I'm going to be showing you how to set this up, and I'm going to be explaining each and everything. Let's go where I have the name and then put 5G unlimited Airtel. Then after save the APN, we're going to be using IMS. Then save the port, leave the proxy not set, but the port set it to 80. Then save, leave the username unset, not set, and the password not set, but the server, let us all come right here. We have the server, put in www.google.com. Then after save, the reason why I'm using www.google.com is because Google will be providing us with the unlimited, fast and secure connection for a stable connection. So use also www.google.com so that you can be able to connect to a fast, stable and secure connection. So then save. Then after you go where we have the MMS port, leave the MMS SC not set, the MMS proxy not set, MMS port set it to 80. Then we're going to go where we have the authentication type, leave it, APN type, leave it or put default. Then the APN protocol, put IPv4/IPv6. Then the APN roaming protocol, put IPv4/IPv6. The bearer, let us come where we have the bearer. The reason why I'm setting up the bearer, I need a stable connection in Tanzania. So let us enable all so that we can stabilize our connection. So after, go back, and then after do this, you're going to go where we have the save. You're going to go where we have save, and then we save. Then after, we're going to come right here and then we enable the APN. After enabling the APN, put flight mode on then off. We'll be able to you now be connected to a fast, secure and unlimited 5G internet speed, and then your phone will be giving you the unlimited access. So I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video and like.